Hey guys, it's Tymes2,
and today we're making delicious,
easy,
and yummy
salmon croquettes.
We like salmon croquettes. Our grandma used to make them for us all the time. She's from the South, and when she makes them, she always fries them, which is of course delicious, but
today we're going to bake them. So we have a healthier alternative, so you can try both. We have a video we'll post from back in the day when we fried them, and this one you can do for baking them.
yes.
Mashing it, so we can
Mash it. This is the Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, a regular Cajun seasoning from whoever.
lemon and pepper seasoning.
Not all. Okay. And then this is going to be some garlic powder. All. And then we're going to mix it up.
How much?
Just shake it. Shake it. Okay.
Just pull a bit of what you think.
Added a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Then we whipped it on up. And now it's time to taste. It's good. Why do we like leftovers?
So you can have for lunch. You can save money and save time and save energy and save a whole lot of stuff.
Right. Make leftovers. So it's all about portion control. Just because you make extra food doesn't mean you have to eat it all.
You got to portion it.
Like that. So I cannot believe the oven wasn't on. That was step one.
That wasn't my part. That was her part. So I was in charge of cutting the vegetables.
So this is the perfect time to explain that this is great that this happened because not all ovens are created equally. So the way you know when to flip these croquettes on the ready is like this. Okay, 50, that's a good one. Yes, broil it for 2 minutes to kind of make it a little more crispier. Let's do it.
Be careful because the broiler will burn it up if you forget about it. So,
right, it's all done. Let's see. Ooh. The croquettes are all done. All ready to go. A great side dish for these would be like fresh green beans, rice dish. If it's summer, maybe just a salad, but we like to eat it with green beans and rice. Yes. So it smells so good. I'm ready to eat. I am ready to eat. So with that being said, it's time to eat. So
our oven is off.
What had happened was,
I don't know what
and two, when you try to lift them up, they're still kind of wet. They should have like a nice, hard, kind of crispy feeling. So we're gonna do. That was step one. Well, actually step two. Well, 1A.
Turn on the oven and then start cooking, right?
But the good thing is we have a few minutes to clean up while waiting for the oven to heat.
Always clean as you go so you don't have a mess.
Yes.
Here. Hey everyone, it's Tymes2,
And today we're making
salmon croquettes.